Oh, okay, this is a Don Drummond tune. If you don't know, anyone know Don Drummond? It's a guy, founding member of the Scatterlights, used to play trombone, died very tragically in the 60s, but this is one of his tunes, so. Sorry folks, it looks like we can't play that song after